Hi, I'm excited to show you our experiments that we get to do using bubbles. The first experiment that we're going to look at is the bubble snakes. And what you need is an empty water bottle, just like this, and a tube sock. As long as it can fit over the water bottle, you've got it made. Perfect. And in case your water bottle like it slips off the sock, just make sure you use an elastic band or even some duct tape to make sure you got that sock on good and tight. And then you'll need a container that you will have the water and the soap in, and this is the dish soap I use, and some scissors. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the bottom, and the best bottles to use are these kind that are super easy to cut. And just make it quick, right there, see? And sometimes you get a little bit of excess, just trim a little bit off, okay? And then the next part after trimming is you want to carefully take your bottle, and the sock, and slip it on. Okay, and I actually am going to have to fold my sock down a few times, and that's pretty snug on there. Okay, and you want to make sure that you have the opening of the top showing so that you can use that. And the next thing you do is I have about 1/2 cup of water in there. I already put some soap in there, but I'm going to add a little bit more. And then you take your bubble snake maker and then you stick it in and kind of just dab at it. Kind of shake it around a little bit. Okay. And then like in the instructions, it says the harder you blow, the longer your snake will get. If you blow softly, you only get a little bit of bubbles. Okay, so here it goes. And you can see it's getting pretty long. You can even have a contest with your siblings, even if your parents want to make some. It's really fun, and you can just add more bubbles as you go. So that is a really fun part of that experiment, and the best part is to do it outside. Then you can have just bubbles everywhere. Okay, and then with our other experiment, I'm not going to go ahead and do the bubbles right now, just so that you can have fun doing that. I wanted to quickly show you with the big bubbles what your bubble wand will look like. So you take the 3 feet of string yarn and you just guide it through the straws, and when you get to that point that both of them have the yarn, then you will tie them together so it kind of looks like a square if you're holding it like this. So I'm just going to quickly, you can, okay, so I went ahead and I threaded both of the straws through, and at this point you just want to make a knot, really good knot so you don't have it come in apart. Okay, and you can trim off a little bit of the excess, just be careful not to rub it. But when you make one, that is what it will look like, and then you would put it in the bubble mixture, and then you can run around outside, or if it's a little bit windy, the bubbles will kind of just start going by themselves. And the bubble mixture, just make sure to look on the how to make the bubble mixture, but it has the that on your paper. So I am really excited to see how your bubbles turn out. I hope to see some really big bubbles and have lots of fun. Have a great day. Bye.